Hi, this is Harry from Biofeedback Resources International. I am going to be running a three-part series called How to Use Biograph Infiniti Biofeedback Software. This is training on the Thought Technology Biograph Infiniti software platform. There's three parts to the series. The first part is basic operation. That's going to cover the main screen. I'm going to give an overview of the first screen that you see when you start the software and what everything on that screen means. Setting up your preferences, so when you first start to use the software, there's certain things that you want to set up. Running a session using the defaults, the quickest way to get into starting up a session, a couple of options on that and how to do that. Adjusting basic things like thresholds and the amplitude Y scales, saving the data, and reviewing the data. So basic things when you get your equipment, if you already have your equipment, how do I use it to run a session without getting into all of the options and features and advanced things that you can do. So that's the first part. The next session will be an intermediate session, and this will cover things like changing the audio option that's selected for feedback, changing animations, DVD feedback, CD feedback if you still have CDs. We'll also get into MP3s, streaming video, which is a new feature in the software, and also using video from hard drives. So a lot of the computers are not coming with DVD or CD drives anymore, so using audio or video that's on your hard drive. Also adjusting pacer settings for the breathing pacers, and hiding instruments. There's a way to hide instruments that a lot of people don't know about. If there's something on the screen you don't want to view. And editing the instrument settings. There are several things that you can edit on the instrument settings that you don't necessarily have to run a session, but they're things that would be useful. And then we get into the advanced session, which includes editing screens, creating screens from scratch, basic channel editing, which many people don't get into at all, but I'll show you how to get into that, at least at a basic level. Script editor, how to edit or create scripts, or at least to look at the scripts and see how you can make minor adjustments and how you might go about building a script to begin with. And then the favorites or quick start editor, how you can create or edit existing quick starts or favorites. So those are the three sessions, and whether you just got a system, you're getting a system, you've had a system for a while and don't really know how to use it, I believe you can learn something from any of those sessions. If you've had a system and you have been using it, at least the intermediate and advanced should be helpful for you. So the tuition for these are $35 each, or you can do all three for $85. It's going to be, the format is going to be GoToMeeting. The length of the sessions is 90 minutes, and the dates are to be determined and posted on the Biofeedback Resources International website, which is biofeedbackinternational.com. And they'll also be posted on the Facebook page of Biofeedback Resources. You can call us at 877-669-6463 toll free, or 914-762-4646 for more information, to get on a list to register for those. If the information is not posted as to how to register online at the time you're viewing this, you can give us a call and we can put you on the list to get into these sessions. I think if you have a system or you're getting a system, these will be beneficial for you. So hope to see you in those sessions. And even if you can't attend live, we will record them and send you a link to download it. So Look forward to seeing you in those sessions. All right, take care. Harry from Biofeedback Resources International. And the website is biofeedbackinternational.com. The phone numbers again, 877-669-6463 or 914-762-4646. You can email me at harry@biofeedbackinternational.com, and you can email my team at bri@biofeedbackinternational.com. Hope to see you there. Take care.